Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset Moto G67 Power 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, wrong pin, try again. You can see wrong pin, try again. Okay, if we press the volume up and power button together and try to power off the smartphone, just go back. If we press the volume up and power button together and try to power off the smartphone, so you can see enter pin to power off your smartphone. So what you have to do, just press the volume up and power button together, and when the screen turn off, when the screen turn off, release it and press the volume down and power button together, and now release, and you can see it will send you in fast boot flash mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to recovery mode and confirm it. And you can see no command. Now here press the power and volume up button. Now it will send you in Android recovery mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And guys, you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Now go to factory data reset and confirm it. Kindly wait, it is formatting. Guys, it might take some time, so kindly wait. So here you can see data wipe complete. Now simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard set might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard set might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard set Moto G67 Power 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.